Hi guys, good morning. This is the cute prof. Welcome to another episode of me teaching IRL to ERL. As you already know, price does two things. Price move from seeking liquidity into what? Into rebalancing gaps. From seeking liquidity into rebalancing gaps. So I dropped a video yesterday explaining how I use IRL to ERL on Nasdaq. So I want to explain how I use IRL to ERL to catch this move on GBPUSD. So if you have been trading GBPUSD or any forex pair, but you can't figure out how to know your direction and entry, you can use the exact IRL to ERL I use in this video to catch some entries. So let's get started. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Let me delete all this. So let me go to 4 hours time frame to show you. On 4 hours time frame, how did I frame this setup? IRL to ERL, nothing else again. If you check 4 hours time frame, what can you see? I can boldly see this 4-hour fair value gap on field. This is a 4-hour fair value gap on field. So what is resting there? Liquidity is resting there. Liquidity is what? Is resting there. Let me use line so it will make sense. Let me delete this. Liquidity is resting above these highs. So market come. This is now, I can call this buy side liquidity. So markets come and take the high out. I went out to 15 minutes. What am I looking for 15 minutes? A shift in structure to the downside. A shift in structure to the downside. If you check very well, can you see the high? This is the high now. That is the high. But I reframe that high. Let me use this now. I reframe that high to this high. So what is resting on that high now? Buy side liquidity. So on 15 minutes time frame, can you see how markets come and take out that high? And we have a break of structure to the downside, or market structure shift, anyone you want to call it. So these are market structure shift to the downside. These are market structure shift to the downside now. So this market structure shift confirms we are now bearish. And what makes me know that we are now bearish, or what confirms this, we have a fair value gap in this leg that caused this break in market structure. Remember, buy side liquidity have been taken and we have a break of structure to the downside. So all you have to do is remember time and price. I wait for London session to open 8 o'clock Nigerian time. So London session open here, break the structure. What did I have to do? I have to wait for market to retrace back to the premium, and I find a way to engage. So what did I use? That's where I use my ICT optimal trade entry. I placed my Fibonacci from that high to this low. So optimal trade entry, that is 0.705 level. So this is my optimal trade entry. Remember, I combine time and price. We are now in London. So I place my Fibonacci mark from that high to the point of reversal. So I use my short position. I place it at that entry. My short position at that entry. My stop above this high. And I go for 1 to 3. I stick to plan. I should have go for this low, but I just go for 1 to 3. So that's my 1 to 3. Can you see how I combine time and price together using IRL to ERL? So I combine time and price together using IRL to ERL. That's how I am able to frame this setup. So my overall drawn liquidity on GU is this point. We are actually coming to this low. We are actually coming for this low. If you check 4 hours time frame, you know the main reason why I said we are actually coming for that low. The only place liquidity is resting now on GU is this swing low. If this one fail and this one does not push price to the upside, I'm expecting price to to come to this unfilled 4-hour favor lookup. What is resting here now? Liquidity. Going back to 15 minutes, so that is just how I frame the setup. For you to know that I execute live, this is my Discord group. Can you see? This is the setup. This is my, can you see? I use my phone to screenshot it. That's my, so this is the execution. So that's just the same thing anytime, any day. IRL to ERL. IRL to what? To ERL. So if you're having any trouble framing direction, you can use IRL to ERL for it. So if you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one, guys.